Alright, this is Chris Goulet. I'm here with Mary Beth from App Express, and she's going to tell us a little bit about what App Express does.
Hi guys! So App Express actually built apps for small businesses. We have a very cool platform. Essentially, we're building apps for Android and Apple. So the user would come in, submit their username and their password, and they'd hit submit. So we collect all the user's email contact information. They have a basic welcome where they can add hot links to their website if they want in here. They have a menu of all their services. They have their contact information, which is great because if they don't have Wi-Fi, you can just easily click and call. This also accepts SMS. They can customize this image. This image can also be a video to kind of display more information. We take appointments. We have an automatic appointment scheduler, and this is a request for appointments. So this one would just say, hey, look, I need an appointment on this date, and they can submit it. The invoicing is a super awesome application. So essentially what happens is the user would get an invoice from the customer and they could pay with PayPal immediately. The vendor can actually take the credit card information there as well. And the user gets a receipt from PayPal, and all the information is stored in their PayPal merchant account. They can do specials. So Groupon right now, 65% of the customers that use Groupon have already been to that business. So if that business actually had a distribution list, they'd be way better off. They wouldn't have to pay Groupon that money. So they can hit redeem. Each one comes with its own unique QR code, so there's no fraud. They can actually do like $10 off, a really cool coupon to encourage loyalty. And we also have a really super awesome messaging system. So essentially, they can create a message. They can add a photo.
And she'll probably coordinate with you as
this feature is really great because they can add an audio message. So if it's an auto repair guy, they can say, my car sounds like this. If they're at a scene of an accident for an insurance or private attorney guy, they can say, this is what happened at the accident. They can actually press their location, which is great for a tow truck driver or a taxi or ambulance. This is where I'm at on the side of the road. And this is the photos. They can add their photos. So for instance, if they're a lawn guy, they can choose a photo and they can annotate it like John Madden style. They can say, this is the tree I want you to cut down. The other super awesome thing is that it's so user friendly that they can go to App Express, they can go to the vendor can log in as a vendor and change all of his content from his pocket.
And the other thing is it's a native app, and it's available in the App Store, so which is different from a mobile website, and it can extend the reach to people. What is the App Store, like the count of customers in the App Store, do you know?
How many apps are in the customers? What do you mean?
So in the iTunes, or the App Store, how many users have phones and would download apps?
I think there's there's 30 billion apps that are downloaded every single day right now. So users love apps. In fact, users use apps more than they use the browser in terms of time spent on their phone. They spend the most amount of time. I think it's like 65% of their time they spend in app. And this is an untapped marketplace for small businesses. The great thing is that once it's on someone's phone, it's like 1 second to click and call. So it's way better than a browser experience. They have to go to the browser. They have to type in the name of the company. They have to click to that. They have to click to that. They have to be connected to the browser in order to do that. And most people want the phone number right now. You know, it's actually faster to use Yellow Pages than a browser-based experience.
We are looking at expanding it right now. The closest
thank you very much.
We've got like us on Facebook or like.